Hey foodies, today we're making one of the easiest and most addictive desserts you can bake, chocolate chip cookie bars. No scooping, no chilling, no fuss. Just one pan and you're on your way to thick, soft, chewy perfection. And the best part, these are completely gluten-free using Frankie's gluten-free all-purpose flour. But no one will ever know. We're talking golden edges, gooey centers, and loads of melty chocolate in every bite. If you love classic chocolate chip cookies but want something faster and easier, this recipe is about to become your new go-to. Let's get baking. And you want to start by pouring your melted butter into a bowl. I'm using a mixer, but if you want to just use a regular bowl, that's fine. And your brown sugar and your white sugar. And we're just going to mix this up. So I'm just going to scrape down the walls. Make sure everything gets mixed in there really easily and well. Next, you want to put in your egg, and I've got a whole egg and an egg yolk. And my milk, doesn't look like much milk. You don't need much for this recipe. And you can use vanilla extract. I'm using vanilla bean paste. And we're going to mix this up. All right, mix that for a good 60 seconds or so. Next, you want to add your all-purpose flour or your gluten-free all-purpose flour. And your baking soda and your salt. We're going to mix this up. So I'm just going to scrape down these edges. Make sure everything's really well mixed. There we go, that looks good. And I'm going to add my chocolate chips. And I'm going to add most of them, but I'm going to keep a couple just to sprinkle on the top when the whole thing's done. Okay, and that's that. So I have a parchment-lined 8-inch by 8-inch baking pan here, and we're just going to scoop all of this right in, just like this. Oh, I can see all the little bits of vanilla bean seed. It looks wonderful. And now we want to just flatten this out as best as we can. That looks pretty good. So now we're going to sprinkle the chocolate chips on top. I'm going to spread them out a little bit. And I'm going to bake this into my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'm going to pull it out, let it cool for 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to slice it into bars. These look so good. They took 27 minutes in my oven. Your oven might vary slightly, so do keep an eye on them. But you want to make sure that they're still soft in the middle. You can see a nice golden crust on the outside. And when it hit the 30-minute mark, I just started to slice them. You could probably slice them a little bit smaller. I went a little ambitious. In fact, let me grab my knife and slice a little bit smaller of a piece because that's a lot of cookie to eat. And yeah, it smells heavenly in here. So let's take a look. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's going to be soft, and it's soft in the middle. Look at the chocolate chips in there. I'll just move that aside. Oh, that smells really nice. Now, time to try it. Nothing beats a nice, homemade, fresh out of the oven cookie. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. Thanks for watching.